Try it again, understanding and using this common English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase in English, try it again. This phrase is not just useful, but it also reflects an important aspect of learning and communication. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it effectively. Try it again is a phrase that suggests attempting something another time after an unsuccessful or unsatisfactory first attempt. It's often used to encourage someone to not give up and to keep trying until they succeed. This phrase embodies the spirit of perseverance and continuous improvement. Everyday conversations. In everyday life, try it again is used in various scenarios. For example, when learning to ride a bike, someone might fall off but then be encouraged to try it again. This phrase is motivational, conveying a sense of support and belief in the person's ability to improve. Academic and professional settings. In academic or professional settings, this phrase can be used to encourage further attempts at solving a problem or improving a skill. For instance, if a student doesn't solve a math problem correctly, a teacher might say, "Try it again, you're almost there." This usage emphasizes the importance of practice and persistence. There are several variations of try it again that you might hear. These include, give it another go, have another shot at it, go for it one more time. These phrases carry the same meaning and are used interchangeably depending on the speaker's preference. Try it again is more than just a phrase, it carries emotional and cultural significance. It represents a culture of encouragement, where mistakes are seen as opportunities for learning rather than failures. This phrase fosters a positive learning environment and promotes the idea that effort and persistence lead to success. In conclusion, try it again is a powerful phrase in the English language that is used to motivate, encourage, and support continuous learning and improvement. Whether you're learning a new skill, facing a challenge, or just need a bit of encouragement, remember the power of trying again. We hope this video has been informative and inspiring. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try it again.